1979. Short bed, 4-wheel drive. Got that one on a half off sale. Yep. But that 4-wheel drive axle was going in my 96 Bronco, OBS Bronco. Yeah, it's a little growed under. You may be wondering, why would I junk a 79 short bed 4-wheel drive? Well, I ain't even got half of it. I just got some of it. So I guess it was the most off sale. But what I really got was what I wanted, the front axle. Lift springs, all that good jazz. You know what I'm talking about. Putting my OBS Bronco. Now, it's gonna be an ordeal. It's not bad. It's not bad. Get rid of the twin I-beam, throw that mess in the trash can, put a straight axle under it. Yeah, boy. Now, as we get in here and looking, I gotta slightly dig around, see what's going on around here. That gum stuck me. That'd be all right. Anyway, it's what we got right here. Lifting springs, dual shocks. I think it may be a 6, maybe a 4. I don't know. It don't matter. It's bigger, and that's all that matters. Full of weeds in the son of a gun, man. Like I said, I got it on a half off sale, or mostly off sale, because I didn't get most of it. I got some of it. It's a dadgum shame. Steering column. Yes, sir. Still works. Thought it did. Anyway, C6 transmission. 4x4. It's a shame. It is a crying shame. And it wasn't that bad a shape until the rust hit it. Sucky. But anyway, we're gonna use a few parts out of it. Take a big old C6 there to the barn and 4-wheel drive stuff. Yes. OJ's getting straight axle swapped. I know what you're thinking. We should probably straight axle swap that one. Not right now. Not right now. Let's go do the old OBS Bronco. We get it done. We may talk about this 95 150 here. Right now, nah, leave her stock. No use jacking up a perfectly good stock truck. Did I say that? I didn't say that. It would be cool. But not right now. Maybe in a later video, if I get enough likes and follows and subscribes. You know, likes, follows, and subscribes. Bells ringing, you know. We'll see. We'll try to make some better content. Who knows? I do gotta finish cleaning this one up. I did a video on Awesome and stuff about doing the carpet. I just ain't got around to finishing it. I'll get there. Like, share, follow, subscribe.